guys, do we have one for you today? We are looking at the Sabre 37FLL. Guys, I know I didn't stutter, it has 2 L's. That's gonna stand for Front Living Loft. Let's take a look. All right guys, our first stop here on the door side is gonna be our propane tanks. This has dual propane tanks, one on each side. And then right next to that, of course, we're gonna have this humongous pass-through storage. With our satellite and cable hookups and our plug-ins right here, they have the nice little drop down so you can run it all the way out and you don't have to leave that door open. We have our leash latch right here, so it's great for all those furry friends. And then of course, our Solaire 12-volt power awning. So one of the great features you're gonna wanna notice here is they actually put the lights, instead of running all the way underneath, they put the lights on the edge. That way, any bugs that are attracted are gonna be towards the end of your awning and not at your door. All right guys, let's look right up here up front. Of course, we're gonna have our spare tire right here. We have our battery disconnect and the control panel for our solar panel, right? I said it guys, it already has solar. So many amazing features. Right here on the outside though, we're gonna have our docking lights, on and off switch right here. This controls our leveling system right here. So whether we're hooking up to the truck, after we've already hooked up and we're at our campsite, you need an auto level. That's right guys, it has auto level. All those controls can be handled right here. All right guys, whether you're at the beach or you've been hiking all day, you got a little dirty, the furry friends or the kids, no worries. This is the quick connect for the outside shower. So you're able to hose them down, go inside, cool off, and head back out to have more fun. Right next to that, we're gonna have our outside kitchen with our Ever-Chill fridge right above it, our 2-burner outside stove, and our sink right here. All right guys, there's one more key feature before we get to that off-door side. Woo, it's gonna be that rear camera. So that's gonna be an awesome feature to have that's already included in this low price on this Sabre. So whether it's eliminating the blind spot when you're going down the road or just helping you back up this trailer and getting ready to have all that fun. All right guys, right here, this is the opposite side of our pass-through storage. We're gonna have a second outside shower. Guys, that's right, that's 2 outside showers. We have our hookup for our city water connection, our gray tanks, our black tank flush, our cable and everything we run right through here. Guys, they have it all set up, super easy to handle and ready to have more fun. All right guys, we just took a look at the outside of the Sabre 37FLL. So many amazing features outside. We have tons more inside that we're about to take a look at, but before we do that, make sure to like, follow, and share. Comment with any questions you may have, but also guys, be taking a look for joining our Facebook group. It's Buy, Sell, Trade, Tips and Tricks for Texas by Funtown RV. Let's go take a look inside. All right guys, now that we're inside, you've already commented, liked, shared, and joined that Facebook group. Let's take a look at some of these key features inside. So first off, we have these amazing blinds right here. So whether you want in the daylight, be able to see but people not see in, or you're wanting that blackout, or if you want it all the way open, no worries, we have you covered. Now, let's go see where the first L in that FLL comes from. Let's take a look. So guys, it's gonna be that front living with so many amazing features. So first off, I wanna show you right here, with all this seating in here, easy to fold up. Just like that. Right? Amazing. We have a bed here, but guys, times it by 2. We have dual beds right here. So that's right, with the ability to sleep 10, this Sabre's unlike any other. So super spacious, plenty of room, plenty of space. We can enjoy TV, but let's say it's morning time, we're ready to kick off the day. No worries. Super fun, super easy. Snaps right back in. We have our cushions back on, and it's like it was never there. All right guys, with all that space for sleeping, but look how much space I have in this living room. Tons of space in here when they're folded up. Guys, I have the 30-inch fireplace right here. So whether you're wanting the ambiance or you're actually needing the heat, we're gonna have you covered with our stereo control right above that. Whether you're jamming out inside or having the party at the tailgate outside, you're gonna be able to control all that sound right here. And of course our TCL TV right here with our storage above and below. Guys, check out those blinds are going to be all the way through the camper that we were mentioning earlier. Tons of space, nice, roomy, nice and comfortable. I could take a nap right here, guys. But before I do take that nap, there's one more feature I want to show you in this living room. So with our controls right here, whether it's the light, the heat, and the massage, guys, this is the spot to be, whether it's game day, tailgating at the races, or you're just at the campsite, or maybe long-term camping. Guys, it's all about those amenities that you have at home on the go. Guys, I don't know about you, but I don't have a vibrating heat lounge seat in my house, or at least not yet, after sitting in this bad boy. But it's all about these little features that Sabre put in on this one that bring it to that next level. Let's go take a look at that kitchen. All right, guys, now we're getting into the kitchen, getting all the nitty gritty, all the fun. But before we get to that kitchen, get us some nice food, we're gonna have our control panel right here with all the amazing features. Guys, whether I'm wanting the accents lights off or on, or my slide controls, everything, checking my gray tank, black tank, and all my controls, my awnings, everything is controlled right here. My water pump and water heater are controlled up top, but then I have master switches for lights. So just like that, we're able to control, and we'll also have that backup to check our tank levels as well. And then this is reading our battery voltage right there, great reading. And this is the control to our first AC. It's gonna be right over our living room right there. That's right, guys, first AC. So the amount of features in this one, top notch, over the top. Let's go take a look at this kitchen now. Guys, on the way to the kitchen, right above it in the dining room, we're gonna have this amazing ceiling fan. So again, guys, it's all about bringing the amenities from home on the go. As we continue on though, plenty of storage. Have a little coffee bar there, tons of storage here. And then our dinette table here. And then this large pantry, guys. Take a look at that pantry. There's one key thing I want you to notice inside this pantry. There's a little tag right here. It is Sabre Connect. You scan that and it helps you come to the next level with your Sabre toy. That's right, guys, it's a toy, it's fun, and we're having fun. Right here, we're gonna have this Everchill 4-door fridge and freezer. Tons of space, tons of room. Not having to make those grocery store trips every day, guys, not with that size. And then of course, right across from that, we're gonna have a 3-burner stove, our oven right here, our storage below for all those pots and pans. And guys, we also have the storage below the sink right here. Tons of room, tons of drawers with this deep farmhouse sink right here. And look at all these cabinets above, guys. This is so tall. Guys, I'm 6'4", arms fully extended, and I'm still not touching this roof. All that space, tons of room. Now, with me being so tall, guys, you see how tall this cabinet is. That's where you keep dad snacks. They go right up here. Tons of room, you know, the candy bars and everything, that's where those go. Right above us is gonna be that second AC, guys. It's gonna be ducted to the reason we have the second L in the FLL. That's gonna be loft. So on our way to our loft though, we're gonna have our bathroom right here. So tons of space, sliding door. It actually has a seat in there, guys. And the wand, so whether you're exhausted, you spent all day out at the beach or having fun on the hiking trails, don't worry, you can relax, take a nice shower, no harm, no foul. We have the porcelain toilet right here. Storage above and below right here in the bathroom. And guys, let's go check out that loft now. Guys, what is this? It's a loft, but not only, guys, this is a 2-story camper. That's right, 2 stories of fun. Let's go upstairs. All right, guys, so much room, so much space up here. We're gonna have the TV hookups, the controls. It is vented right here. We have our storage behind me. We have a storage cabinet over here and our blinds to be able to go down, but you can fit so many people up here. But more than that, guys, my other side, right across from this loft, it's gonna be a great loft for storage. So all those extra little things that you need to store to get to your campsite, to get to that destination, to have that fun is right across from us. We'll take a look at that on our way down. All right, guys, before we head downstairs, this is that other loft. So much room for all those extra storage. You put the totes in there, put the sleeping bags, extra goodies, fishing poles, whatever you need, it's gonna fit in there to start that fun. Now let's go downstairs, check out that master bedroom. All right guys, check out this suite. So much room, so much space, the king size bed. We have plugs and USBs on each side, our windows, and then all these amenities. Guys, check out the drawers right here, hanging room right here, both sides, right? But then there's one more. It's hidden. Are you ready? Right there, guys. It is prepped for a combo washer and dryer. So whether you need the storage, if you don't need the washer and dryer, but if you do, we already have a place picked out for you. And then of course, having the plugs and cable hookup for your TV backer right there. So whether you're wanting to watch a nice little movie, chillax before you hit the pillows, have some fun, we have you covered. All right guys, we just took a look at the Sabre 37FLL. Guys, that LL is gonna stand for front living and loft. There's 2 lofts in there, all that space up top for all the activities, fun, playing, sleeping, everything in between. You're gonna wanna make sure to like, follow, and share. Comment with any questions you may have, any other campers you would love to see us do a walkthrough video on. And then also you're gonna wanna join our Funtown RV Texas Buy, Sell, Trade, Tricks and Tips Facebook group. Guys, we'd love to have you on there, whether you're an experienced camper or you just now started out or you're somewhere in between. It's gonna have something that's gonna be a great resource for you. We look forward to seeing you on there. And remember guys, the fun starts here.